Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode on Flex Design. Today, we're going to be talking about GitHub, how to push, commit, and pull on GitHub on the web version and on the desktop version of GitHub. So, essentially, what GitHub is a version control software that allows developers to share and edit code simultaneously from different locations. Also, it is a great tool for transferring large files, and it's really safe when a group of developers want to work on a single project, and it helps make things easier and faster, and also it helps to detect errors with uh, each developer's code. So today, what I'm going to show you is how to add a new file to a repository, how to commit, push, and pull on each version of GitHub. So we're going to start off with the web version. So you go to add files, create new files. Always remember to name your file. This is important to knowing what type of file you're trying to pull. So uh, let's think of a good name. So let's use ISD. And inside, usually, you could. This is where you add your code, whatever code that you're trying to uh, edit or add. So out here, I'm just gonna put in some text. So Flex Design on YouTube. Right. So in order to commit your file, what this means is that it's uh, uh, saving it and sending it to uh, the main, sending it to uh, the sending it to the main project, right? But here's a catch. GitHub offers you two ways to do that. Either offers you a way to send it to directly to the main project, or create a new branch in which you're able to work on your part of your assignment or your part of the project. Then after you're done, then push it back to the main. So always before you commit, name your project. So let's say uh, number one commit. Reason why I'm using this instead of first commit is I've used first commit before, so I just want something different. So num1, then you click on create branch. Let's name this branch after so let's say ISTPSU, just so you know it's a branch. So pose. So what this does is that it creates a branch. So here's the main, and here's a branch of the main. So if you want to send it back to the main, there's a different process to do that. So here also shows you the code that we added to our uh, IST PSU branch. So in order to pull this, you have to first create a pull request. This pull request goes to your main administrator. You're able to see that your branch has no conflict with the base. If they want, they can merge it to the main, not to the main file, but to the main GitHub page. Merge. So you come here, you're able to see that your file here is represented. So this is IST. Click on it, you're able to see your code. So let's do something similar to this on the desktop version. So on desktop version, uh, I always try to refresh the desktop version by clicking here, and always remember to pull because it pulls from the initial repository that you're working on with your entire group. So this allows you to get what they have already added to it before you also add or change something to it. So initially, always try and pull first. So pull, come here, see your history, look for your project. There's a lot of pull. So what do we name this as? Here we go. Number one, commit. So in order to add any changes to this, let's see. In order to add any changes to that file, usually I try to go to show finder. It shows you here, there's our file ist. And on a Mac, I would recommend using text editor. If you want, there's also Visual Code, VS Code that also helps to also do that. So let's add certain text to it. So on YouTube, let's say there. Also, explains. Okay. So once you're done, save, Command S, exit. Usually it could work without saving it. You come here and already GitHub has on the desktop has seen certain changes. So in order to save this on GitHub, you have to commit it. So let's say, let's name this second change. Add a description. Let's add second C changes. Commit it. And here to push it to the main file, you press push. So once you come here, and click, there you see you have two contributors to this file. So you're able to like push your changes onto the GitHub platform. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching Flex Design today. Have a good one.